Listen to this. The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. Oregano. In addition to the beneficial anti-inflammatory benefits and immune-boosting effects of oregano for fighting cancer, the carvacrol in oregano has an anti-tumor property that slows the growth and reproduction of cancer cells and promotes cancer cell death. It also helps to boost the immune system. It's an antiviral. It helps with yeast or other fungal infections, skin problems, heart healthy, stimulates metabolism and weight loss, prevents illness or speeds recovery, and helps with bronchial infections, asthma, and coughs. Happy healing!